Hello everyone. About the 3D footwear design is popular today. So I'm using Fusion 360 to create pair of the ankle boots. As you see, that is a toe point and high heel with three parts of the accessory. And the ram is pattern leathers, and the stock parts, that is the texture. So I create this one is easy to my costing managers and marketing to discussions how is good enough or not. And also I'm technology guys, so I will estimate, and that is can go through to the mass production or not. So I create these 3D models. I use around 2 working days by myself. So, but 2 working days is more shortly than the factory sample room make pair sample. Is right or wrong? As you know, usually make the sample about at least take the two weeks. But 3D technology just take 2 days should be enough. And I'm printing out the 3D model too. So I'm showing to you. Okay? Yes. Good. Outside part. The toe part. And the accessory. You see? And the back part. The side of the flowers. Yes. And the back part. The heel. Inside. Okay. Yes. So I'm printing out this model. I take around 4 hours, 5 hours, something. So, and then so I can get this sample, 3D sample, sit down to discussion all part of the team member and discussion what they thinking. So if you interested in my 3D models, you can PM to me and or visit to my website, or you can send the email to me. I can send my 3D model file for you for free. Okay? If you have any questions, please give me a comment. Let me improve myself. Yes? Thank you so much. Bye bye.